Hey, what's happening YouTube? I'm back with another video. This time it's going to be a quick review on the Yongnuo 11mm f1.8 DADSMWL ultra wide-angle prime lens with autofocus. Bet you any amount. You can't say that 3 times fast. It sounds to me like a fax machine model number. At this time, this lens is only for Sony E-mount camera. Before we begin, I just want to let you all know that I am not a professional photographer, just really interested in shooting nice images and videos, so don't be hating. So let's start unboxing this lens. I ordered this from Lazada, and this comes from China. Props to them, I received this lens in just 4 days. Thank you, seller, for shipping this quickly. Apparently this comes with a wireless remote for free, since I only placed an order for the lens, and I think you can control your focus points, or aperture, remotely. I don't see a use for this now, but who knows, it might come handy in some scenarios. Apologies for my clumsy hand struggling to open the damn thing. So we got a foam protector here, then the actual lens, a manual, and a cute little hood. Let's open this thing up. Alright, it feels really good. All metal construction, not plastic. Compared to the Sony 11mm, which cost twice as much, so +1 to Yongnuo for build quality. Over here we have a USB Type-C port. This is for updating the firmware. I bet I will lose this cover someday, so better keep that plugged in. Here's the butthole of this lens. Sorry, I meant the rear element. The front element takes 58mm filters, in case you need to use one of those. Here, we have the function key. I believe you can assign custom keys on this button right here. We also have a switch for turning the wireless function on or off. On this side, there is another switch for enabling and disabling the aperture clicks. Time to test this lens in the real world. Let's see how this thing performs. Now, ultra-wide-angle lens is new to me. I'm still adapting a new composition style with this type of lens, so my apologies if some of these images are not within your taste. The minimum focusing distance is 15 centimeters, so you can still get a bokeh from this lens, if your subject is close enough. Now, I gotta be honest with you. This lens isn't the sharpest lens, but I'm sure you're using Lightroom to process your shots, so with a little editing, you can get the results that you want. Note that there are some color fringing, and it can get very obvious at times, but for this price range, it's acceptable. I also took some low-light shots. Paired with my Sony A7C, this thing can see in the dark. Almost. I also took some videos with this lens to see how wide I can make the shots. Here I am trying it inside a Tesla, trying to look cool, as if I own this car. And the worst camera angle award goes to... So, is the Yongnuo 11mm f1.8 DADSMWL ultra wide-angle prime lens with autofocus worth it? I feel like people will lose their breath every time they say Yongnuo 11mm f1.8 DADSMWL ultra wide-angle prime lens with autofocus. But to be honest, I really like the ultra-wide look. It ain't that sharp in terms of contrast and colors, but again, with a little editing, this lens turned to be worth it, and furthermore, it won't cost you an internal organ to buy one. Thought I'd end this with an unfinished project for work using this lens. Thanks for watching, guys.
Where
Peace.
The beauty of nature meets the art of precision care. Step into a world that brings nature closer to your everyday space, crafted with love and attention. At Greenheart, every leaf in bloom receives the care it deserves, bringing you plants that thrive. Our team is dedicated to ensuring each plant is a vibrant addition to your life. For those seeking the look of nature without the upkeep, we offer our lifelike artificial plants, crafted with impeccable detail. Each piece looks so real, you'll forget it's not. Our experts at Greenheart are here to guide you in bringing greenery into your home or office with confidence and care. Whether it's a live plant or an artificial display, we believe in adding green to every corner. From lush green walls to striking potted arrangements, Greenheart brings your walls and spaces to life with beauty and ease. Greenheart, nature, perfected for your space. Discover it today.